Okay, so that's the first method. Now we will try the second method. Okay, I will click this one and then go to grading test. Okay, we need to do grading test first. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Okay, so this is our grading test. Okay, here we need to be very careful. We need to know some important parameters, like for example, this one, the depth. Okay, the depth in our reservoir. So let's say for this case, the minimum depth is the at 2000 meters and the maximum is at 2100, and we need to know the temperature. At 2000 meters, the temperature, let's say, is 100, and the maximum, let's say, 104. And we need to provide the temperature at certain depth, let's say, or the pressure, I mean, let's say at 2000 feet or 2000 meters, the pressure is 600 bars. And we need to generate also this RS and RV. And let's say for the standard condition for the pressure, we can use this one. Standard condition for temperature, 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Number of values, I can maintain 11. So I will click OK. Now I have the grading test. Okay, what I want is actually this one, the pressure. Okay, you can see the plot and also the table and the saturation pressure. Okay, and also the oil density and the gas density, RS and RV. All right, very important. This RS and RV will be used in our simulation, and they are plotted against the depth. So let's say for the RS, so that we can read this one, or the RV. Okay. Okay, so for the RV, for example, so this one, the green one, I think, is the RV from the blend. Okay, and then this one, the blue, the dark blue, RV. Okay, for the light component, the matching variant. Okay, and also this one, the purple heavy, RV. And yeah, that's if you generate from the matching variant. Let's say I want to focus on the blend. Okay, so actually for this grading test, I need to do that for the blend component. So yeah, this is very difficult because this blocking me out. So let's say, can I move that? Something like this. Be smart, right? So now I can delete this grading test. I want to do the grading test for the blend. Okay, so let's do the grading for the blend fluid. Do grading test. Sorry, it's quite slow. It's not from the T Navigator, it's from my connection. So I call it grading test. And then the minimum at 2000, it is 2100. And then minimum temperature 100, 104. Input at 2000 meters. The pressure is 600 bars. Absolute. Calculate RCRF, RV, click OK, okay, and then tick everything. Okay, all right, so far so good. Okay, so you can see the plot and you can see the table, the pressure. So if you see, okay, pressure versus depth, temperature versus depth, saturation pressure versus depth. So these are called grading tests. Okay, and oil density, no. This one is for the gas density. Okay. And then RS, RV, relative volume. Okay. Okay. All right, so far so good. Yeah, maybe we can also check for the oil density and RV. And here we can export. Now you see, export comp VD. VD is actually versus depth. Okay. Temperature versus depth. Comp, I think comp is component or composition. I think it's component versus depth. Okay, so let's export. Now you see COMPVD and TEMPVD of the blend fluid include files. Okay, .inc. So let's click save and yep, and let's visit the folder. Okay, let's go to the project. Now COMPVD and TEMPVD, and this is the file. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I can close and then I will minimize this one. And then the third method, okay, the third method is also very interesting. I want to create black oil. So I will click this one. Now I will go to PVT to construct black oil.